24th of October. It's now under the night sky. The stars are above us, although my camera doesn't pick them out, but it's a very, very starry night. And we're just about to go into reduction. Temperature on the pyro is 2088, as you can see. 2088. Alright, so to do this, put it into reduction, all we're going to do, I'll tell you what, let's turn the light out a second. All we do is introduce more gas into the kiln than the kiln can burn efficiently. Alright, and you should see as I turn it up, there it is. You see the unburnt, gases there burning. Burning on the top of the chimney. That's because some of the gas can't be burnt inside the kiln, so it's burning outside where there's enough oxygen. Okay, I don't know what the... Let's put the light on again. I've got to check the temperature because it may be going down. No, it's still 2096, 2097. Well, that's a fairly good reduction. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just turn it back a very tiny amount. La la la. Dee 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 dee. 2100, come on. Give me 2100, anybody? Yes! That'll do nicely, pig. Thank you very much. Okay. So there it is. So as you can see, 2105. We have got reduction as well as temperature rise. What's the time on the clock? What's the time on the clock? The clock says nearly 9:15. La 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 la. Yeah, nearly 9:15. We went into reduction at 2088. 2088. 9:15. 9:15. There. Okay. I always mark on the chart here at what temperature go into reduction. So that's a decent reduction there. You got to watch it though. You got to be careful with reduction. You know, you can start losing. If you're not careful, you can start losing temperature. You know. So. Yeah, it's actually going to be a reasonably quick firing, I think. It's going to be quicker than last time. That's the graph from last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 6, 7 hours so far. Yeah. Cheers, everybody. La 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 la. Yeah, appears to be going up. Okay, that's good. Thanks folks for joining us. Just a quick little video there just to show you what's going on. Tomorrow morning we'll be unpacking it. Okay, until then, take care, God bless, and have a good night. Keep practicing. That's the secret. Bye for now.